Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you will need just to open PowerPoint. I'm just going to search for it here and I'm going to open the Microsoft PowerPoint. Now it starts with a blank presentation. So from here, you will find like the slides. And basically, to create a new slide, you can go to Insert and click on a new slide. Or you can simply click on Control plus N from your keyboard. And basically, it will start creating blank slides. Now you can simply start like adding elements to your slide. So either you can add text, images, or videos. So let's just remove that and basically here we will find insert. So first you can find like a text box. So from here you will add your text. So you will be adding your text and you will edit it like you are doing with a Word or anything. You give it like formatting. You should select it and basically you can do whatever you would like and start editing your text. You can also add images or insert shapes or whatever. So let's just stick with shapes. I'm going to add just a square and basically you can also give it animation. We can go to animation and basically let's animate, and as you can see we will find mini animation. You can go to the effects option. You can like have mini animation and you can also like open the animation menu so you can like reorder the animation where you want it to start, etc. You can also have like transition, and it is concerning like transition between slide to another slide. So for example, let's just have this one that will be fading or that will be wiping, etc., etc. So basically then you will be able to start showing your slide into a data show or whatever. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.